Welcome to day 2 of potential energy in science. So yesterday you watched a video about a truck going down a ramp, and it made a huge jump, and I think it was a world record at the time actually. And after that we got your thoughts and reflections on what was happening with the truck and stuff like that, and then you designed some of your own ramps. Today you are going to put those designs to the test. You are going to try to make your own ramps and see what happens when you change different parts of them. So this will be part 1. There'll be 2 parts, 2 videos. Part 1 is going to be going over the ramps and stuff like that, and then part 2 you'll fill out after you design your ramps and record what happens. I will be talking about potential and kinetic energy and how those are different, and it'll help you fill in the word blank at the end. So if you are having trouble with the word blank, watch the second video. All right, so yesterday you guys designed ramps and you drew them out. Today, we're gonna have you guys put them in place. So I happen to have a few things that we can use for ramps. My son happens to have Hot Wheels, so I have Hot Wheels track that we can use to make like our own ramp. If you don't have that, you can use something as simple as a piece of paper. This is a little bit thicker. It's not like printer paper, so you can find that. You can also use a folder. You can use a piece of cardboard, anything that's hard, but still a little bit flexible. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do it. You can also use a Hot Wheels car or something that rolls like a ball. Here I just have a little plastic ball. So you don't have to have exactly what I have. You guys can use your amazing scientific brains, just like you did with the pulley system, to come up with your own. So one of the ramps that you may have designed might have been just something simple like this. Low down like this. I'm going to back it up so you can see it. And what you're going to want to do is just test it. So I'm going to take my car and I'm going to roll it down, and then I'm going to see where it goes. If you don't have a car, you can use a ball. I'm going to take my ball and roll it down, and that one goes really far. Then I want you to change some of the things about your ramp. So maybe you want to change the height. So I'm going to change the height at what I start at. So the height got taller. Or maybe you change the angle. So this one was kind of flat. Maybe you make it more curved. Or maybe you make it curved this way, so it's a little bit longer. Or maybe you make it taller and more curved, so it's straight down. You guys can change the possibilities any way you want. And I'm going to send my car. There was definitely a difference, but I want you guys to find it out. Again, if you don't have a Hot Wheels track, you can use a piece of paper. So here, you can see I can change my curve this way. I can curve it out. I can change my height so it's nice and low. You can even make it, if you want, a little bit of a tunnel. This will make your ramp straighter, but you can get it up higher. I can change the angle. I can make it curve down, and I can even test it with a ball. So I want you guys to use your scientific brains to come up with a way to show your designs that you've come up with for ramps, and play around with different things like the angle. Maybe it's really steep, or maybe it's really long, and play with the height of the ramp. Tell me what you observe when you do those things. And I look forward to seeing you in video 2.